Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to block a website on Firefox so you can restrict access to unwanted websites and stay focused while browsing. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where browser settings and tools are located. Step 2. Click Extensions and Themes from the menu. This section allows you to manage extensions that add extra features to Firefox. Step 3. Search for a website blocking extension like BlockSite in the add-on store and press Enter. These extensions are useful because Firefox does not block specific pages by default. Step 4. Click Add to Firefox and confirm by selecting Add. The extension will be installed and ready to manage blocked pages. Step 5. Click the Add-ons tab at the top and open the extension settings. Step 6. Click the 3-dot icon on BlockSite and choose Options. Add the page URL you want to block. Step 7. Click Add and scroll down to click Save Options. Once added, Firefox will prevent that page from loading. Step 8. Open a new tab and check to make sure the website is blocked. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.